you ever wondered why dipping fries in a Wendy's Frosty tastes so good? Well, believe it or not, there's actually a scientific reason for this. You see, our tongue has sweet receptors and salty receptors. But a recent study found that we also have these special receptors that only activate when sugar meets salt. This is why we pair sweet and salty all the time. And it's why this combination tastes so good.
Masarap siya, marami siyang garlic, onion, sili. Ayan, may bagoong din yan. Ako, tuturo ko sa inyo, masarap na may suka din yan, may toyo din yan. May konting betchin. Ayan. Gumaabra yung ginagamit ko. Ayan. Sarap yan. Yan yung mga sa Chinese na nakalagay dun sa lagayan.